What's up, y'all? I'm back. This time I'm going to be eating some dishes. So I got, not literally, the burp episode. I don't know how many episodes it's been, but this is what I'm eating today to encourage my burping. There's this. I got me a Mountain Dew Black Label.
It's really good with my mood. Yeah.
Alright, now I'm going to try and eat this as fast as I can, and if I have any belches come up, then I'll give y'all what I got. Okay. Ready? Begin! Come on. That was good. Freaking hot. Wow, that's spicy, man. All I'm gonna say is that's what I'm thinking right now. Is this is spicy. And hot. There's 2 packets of ramen. 2 packets. So I'm waiting for a burp to come. So. food. Because you know, some people don't chew their food all the way.
Yeah.
It is good, I'll tell you that. Woohoo! Man, that stuff is spicy. Woo! Woo! Whoa, that was gonna be chunky. Woo! That was insane. I don't know why I did that. Wow, that was awesome. I'm freaking sweating, man. Oh, man, it's hot. Hey, I got that tapatio. That tapatio red pepper sauce. It'd be this, the $1 sauce. But
That's all. It's a date.
I ate 6 eggs and 2 packets of ramen within less than, I don't know how long that was, but you can time it all you want. But
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know my ABCs are burping. Yeah.
okay, well, there you go. Ha ha. Until next time, y'all. Stay hyper, stay vigilant, and stay wise. Subscribe, like the video, and stay